Yeah, I do go to locations. I think I played lead role for 10 days for 1,000 in Ilorin.
1,000 Naira.
Yeah. Then the lead character then was paid 350.
Wow.
And then I played the sub lead. I was given 1,000 Naira.
Wow.
And then the 1,000 Naira. But thank God for an actor. I think Femi Bernard. He was the one that took me from Ilorin to Oshodi and gave me 200. Added to the 1,000 I was given. So like that. And I once went for an audition in those days, and then challenge and I had to go back to school. So but solid and but 150 lale, and they said it's 400. So I don't have a choice. I had to sleep in that gutter in front of the Glow House. That's Ibelatima Womoto Agowe in those days. So I slept in there, and then I woke up very early, like 5, and then there is only 100 naira back to Suso. Just that way I went back to school. The 15 naira Lati Oru Junction, Ilemi, me Jesha Road, and then went back to school like that. So it's not been easy. I played also a lead for 4,000 in your 10 days, and after 10 days,
$4,000 or
4,000 Naira.
4,000
so after the
Naira.
4,000, until the valet pay to buy next job or two lani. So when they lost it, and then you have to come back again, and then like that. But thank God today, these are stories to tell, and then tell people that you can do better, even with you going through a whole lot of work.
Looking back at those moments and